Hey, welcome to my Lurks lessons. In roughly 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how the National Football League orders their annual draft in today's 2-minute drill video. Start the music.
When we get to the month of April, we arrive at the NFL draft. All 32 teams gets one selection per round of the 7 total rounds to choose a collegiate player that has declared for the draft or a player 3 years removed from high school. Each pick is timed and the draft itself is nationally televised. The order of the draft for every round is as follows, and I'll use 2018 as an example. Picks 1 through 20 are for non-playoff teams based on their regular season record going from worst to best. So, in 2018, the Cleveland Browns were given the number 1 pick. Spots 21 through 24 are the teams who lost in the wildcard round, ranked on their regular season record from worst to best. 25 through 28 are the divisional playoff teams who lost, and spots 29 and 30 are for the conference championship teams who lost. Finally, the Super Bowl champs pick last. With the order laid out, teams will negotiate by trading future picks and players on their roster to move up to select a desired rookie in the present draft. Because of this, the order changes for future draft rounds. A great example of this was in 2018, where the Browns had the number 1 and number 4 overall pick. They were given the number 4 pick because of a trade they agreed with Houston the previous year. The Texans traded their 2018 first-round pick in a deal to draft quarterback Deshaun Watson. Because Houston finished 4th, the Browns were given that spot. Trades like this between teams will happen even after the draft is complete, going into the regular season with the trade deadline being after the conclusion of Week 8.
So each NFL drafted rookie gets a 4-year deal. However, the first-round selections get a 5th-year option built in with some guidelines and stipulations. So those are the guys that get drafted. The undrafted rookies, or the guys that show up to training camp and make the 53-man roster, they are only eligible for a 3-year deal. All of this is commonly known as the NFL Rookie Wage Scale. Coming at ya! Ha! You learned something new today. Crushing it. In the comments below, tell me what you learned about today's lesson. If you enjoy learning about sports or sports-related topics, please consider subscribing by clicking the button right here. You can also follow me on social media by searching for Lurks Lessons on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Start the music. Alright guys, my name is Jeff Lurkey, and I'll catch you next time.